Hi, Jacek from Prodio here. In this video, I will tell you about order statuses in Prodio. So, in Prodio we have many statuses which will help you to keep track of your production and all the processes. So, first status is new, which appears when you add a new order, and the status means that this order is in the system, but your workers can't see it on the production schedule. Then, when we edit the order and we add the confirmed date, status will change to confirmed. And when we schedule our order, it will change to planned, which means that now our workers can see it on the production schedule and they can start working on it. Then we have in progress status, which means that someone is working on this order right now. And if we click it, we can see at which specific manufacturing task someone is working on. Then we have status in production, which means that someone was working on this order already, but isn't working on it right now. And then we have status partly done, which means that one or two or more products have been made for this order. So when we click it, we also have more information about it. What other statuses we have? We have status done, which means that well, our order is done. We have all the products for this order, and when everything is okay, we send it to the client. We can close the order here, and we can close just the order or order and assigned tasks. Okay, now it is closed. So if we would like to hide it from our orders list, we just have to choose this option, and now it disappeared. Then if we would like to, let's say, if you have an order from our client, but he wants to cancel it, we can do it by clicking here. And it also changes to cancelled, and it also disappears from the orders list. So we have to click here to show this. What's more, when we choose some of the orders, we can also change statuses manually. We can do it here. We have all the statuses I showed you, and we have also a few more, like for example, for shipping, settled, invoiced, and a few more, so that you would have information about everything that is happening with this order. So maybe let's change it to for shipping, save. And now this order status changed for shipping. What else? If you would like to see just the orders with some specific status, like for example, just orders for shipping, you can filter it here. So it makes everything easier. You can easily find the orders with some specific status that you need for now. And well, I think that's it in this video. I hope that our order statuses option will help you to get better control over your production. And thank you for watching, and I hope see you in the next video. Bye. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.